Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Master. In today's video, I will show you how to speed up your Windows 10 PC using 5 simple tricks. We will go through updates, task manager, performance settings, hard drive cleanup and uninstalling apps. All easy steps you can do right now to make your computer run faster. Let's get started. In the start menu, search for updates. And here you will see check for updates. It will take to the Windows settings and make sure your computer is updated. If you have any pending updates, you can install them. As I updated my PC, so that's why there is no updates pending. Keeping Windows updated save you from different malware attacks because it provides security patches, new feature updates, and many more. Open Start menu and search Startup Apps. It will take you to the Startup Apps. Here you will see a list of apps that started to run in the background or on your screen whenever you turn on your PC. Make sure to turn them off, the apps that you do not need to turn on as you use them. Whenever you turn on your PC, these apps will use your resources and it will make your Windows 10 experience much slower. So make sure to turn on only Windows Security Notification Service, and if you want any other app, then it's up to you. I recommend you should turn off all the apps except Windows Security. Open Start menu and search Adjust Performance Settings. And here you will see a window like this. Check the button for Adjust for best performance, as it will disable all the animations, transparency effects, and everything that Windows uses its resources. So it will also make your Windows 10 experience much faster. If you want to use it, you can try. Open Start menu and search Storage Sense. In the storage section, you will see the Storage Sense. Make sure that Storage Sense is on, because it automatically removes temporary files and other cache that slows down your PC. So you can make sure that your Storage Sense is on. I have made a separate video on how to boost up your PC using Windows PC Manager. You can see the video in the I button. Go to Start menu and search for Apps. And here you will see Add or Remove Programs, and below that you will see Apps and Features. Go to this option and you will see the list of apps that are installed on your computer. So if you do not need any app, you should uninstall this from this Apps and Features section, and it will also boost up your PC. Whenever you install Windows 10, it also comes with a lot of bloatware apps such as Weather, Xbox, and a lot of other things like sports news. So you can uninstall them if you do not need. So that's how you can make your Windows 10 faster and smoother with just a few tweaks. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.